You guys ready for an epic weekend?
Yeah!
Let's go.
This is the boat we're going to Failaka. You see all these cars? You could actually take your car to the island. But we opted not to.
Yes? Come on, we're gonna go on this boat. So that boat over there, they're gonna transport the cars up to Failaka Island, and we're trying to get on that boat, but they said there's another boat over here that we could take. I guess that one's full. I don't know, seems like a shit show, but let's go. So that right there, that's gonna be our boat. Thank you, sir.
Where's Joshua? Behind you!
How's your seat?
Good. We're going to Failaka Island.
Jazzy, are you excited?
Yeah.
Joshua, are you excited?
Yeah.
Mommy, you're excited?
Yeah.
Of course.
We're going. Ready to start our adventure?
Yeah. Cool.
Okay.
The only way to get to Failaka Island is through the ferry. Each ticket costs 10 KD for adult and then 5 KD for kids.
And this ferry ride took about 45 minutes. And we're here.
Welcome to Failaka Island. Oh, there's even bikes. This is the Heritage Village and we are at the reception. We are going to check in. We're done checking in. So now let's go to our house. We're coming to our house.
All right, so this is where we're staying at. We got a heritage house and we are staying in room 35, or actually house 35.
Hi. Welcome to Heritage House number 35. First, you're gonna come to the living room. The living room has a fridge. It has a TV too. And it's nice. And also in this living room, I don't know how many people could sit in this long couch. It has also a bathroom, toilet, sink. Here is open diwania. Welcome to the master's bedroom. And it comes with closet. There's a closet. Now, here we are at the kids' room. It has 2 bunk beds.
No.
Another 2 bunk beds.
The heck?
Underneath.
What?
Underneath the bed.
Where's Joshua?
He's underneath too.
And over here we also have the bathroom with a shower, toilet, bath, and sink. And here is the kitchen. The kitchen, dining table, or water heater, and sink. And that's how big the kitchen is.
And this right here, this is the stairs to our roof. Let's go up on the roof.
Yeah, what's beyond the roof?
Hey, don't go there.
That's another house down there.
Yeah, what's here?
All right, not much to see over here. Let's go back down. Well, that's our place. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour and come again anytime. Peace. Right now we're gonna go try to find our luggage because we don't have it yet. Let's go hunt for our luggage.
What? And where's the key? Somebody took the lock. You took it out?
I never put a lock on there.
So where's the lock?
I never took it.
There was a lock here. I thought you locked it.
I didn't lock it. We're gonna go mini mart now. They got all these arcades over here, but too bad none of them work. They got a ping pong table, they got an air hockey, and they got 3 pool tables. And then on this side, they got all the snacks. Look at all this food.
And all these toys.
Look at this. We got all our breakfast here.
Yes, Dad. What's that? Get your chips now, Jacob.
I'm gonna get those nice chips.
Ooh, I'll put this here.
Hey.
Oh, that's so much stuff.
Hello, sir.
Now,
You got your snacks, Jazzy? See that right there? We got all our goodies. All our chips and non-alcoholic beer.
yeah,
Yummy.
Yeah, then we're going to go to the trampoline. Hey guys, we got chips.
We got them.
We got a bunch of snacks.
Look at this.
We got waters. We got a bunch of drinks.
We got this.
Cokes,
We got this.
chips. We're gonna go down to the beach and we're gonna have our lunch / dinner. Joshie.
Don't go that far.
This looks white, Mommy.
Wanasa.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hello.
Oh, very nice. There's fish. Oh, so those are like restaurants there?
What's up? We're here at Wanasa Beach and I'm gonna take photos of my beautiful models.
Butterfly.
Wait. Hey,
Butterfly.
it's lunchtime and we have pizza, burger, 2 shawarmas, French fries, and French fries. Sodas. Bon appetit.
How's your dinner?
Good.
How's your dinner?
Good.
How's your dinner? How's your dinner, Jazzy?
Cocoa.
Jasmine, you ready for ice cream? Josh, you ready for ice cream?
Yeah.
Gonna make some ice cream.
It's like melting. Oh!
Wow. That's for Joshie.
Hey guys, I went here and then I got this ice cream. I got chocolate flavor. Chocolate flavor.
That looks delicious. Hey, so pretty. How is it, Jacob? Wow, thank you so much. Yo, what's up? The sun's about to set, or the sun already set. I'm gonna go take pictures of rain over here by this door, and also the kids playing in the water. Ready? You want me to sit next to you? Joshie sits next to you.
It was fun at the beach, and day 1 was wrapped up, and see you to the next day. Bye-bye.
You have the kitchen, the living room. This is the master's bedroom. Your feet is dirty.
Yes, new subscriber here.
Subscriber.
Thank you, thank you.
He made good comments.
Look at Jasmine, she's dancing.
How's your ice cream, Jassy? Whoa.
How's the ice cream? Oh yeah.
Look at this bee stuck in this bottle. Daddy, look at this bee stuck in this bottle.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, more ice cream? More ice cream? More ice cream? Oh. Mmm. That's it. Oh.